Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down and here we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls and this is the first option, or for notifications. So let me pick for example the ringtone for calls. Now let's tap on allow and as you can see here we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can custom it, so let's tap on select from files. Let's allow the request, and if you will have any compatible files, for example downloaded, they will appear right here, just like this one, and you will be able to choose it and set it as your ringtone. But let me get back and let's choose something from the list. If you want to listen how the particular one sounds, then just tap on it. And if you're happy with your choice, make sure that it is marked and let's get back. As you can see, it is immediately applied and from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone as a default one. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.